All right, guys, we are at our home studio. We're so excited to show you guys around. We're gonna start in Studio A. And the nice thing in here is we've got a nice little conference room here to chat and go over lots of different things. This waiting room here is fantastic. Just got a brand new couch here and table to hang out at, and a lot of times we serve food at our photo shoots. We also have a nice dressing room right here. Check this out. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Beautiful. You can also use this as a dressing room. It's got a curtain here in the back that comes across, so this comes really convenient for us as well. We're gonna head into Studio A here, where we've got Rob is doing a shoot here with some great models in their pageant dresses back here. How's it going, guys?
Really good. We're doing a pageant shoot with Lilian and Stephanie, and we'll put their links down in the description, so make sure you follow them on Instagram. And we are just their pageant queens. They have won recent pageants, so we are just getting some shoots in for them and
awesome
pictures done for them. So
cool. How you guys doing?
We're good.
Good? Good. You guys like being in pageants?
Oh yes, I love so much pageant, yeah.
Do you like modeling or pageants more?
That's both. I think both. I don't know if it could just be both.
It has to be both. You can't pick one?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's really
okay.
like everything has its pros and
You
its
heard them.
cons, so.
Okay, all right. Well, I guess you can't choose between modeling and pageants. You just can't. They can't be taken apart. All right, awesome. Well, I'll leave you guys to work. I'm heading over to Studio B. There's a lot of really good stuff going on over there. You guys have fun. See you later. All right, so we are going to go along around the long way. We're going to walk right through here, through the studio, or through the lobby, and we're walking through the secret hallway here. And coming on through, we're going into the dressing room, and I know that we've got some girls in here getting ready. Oh, here they are. Let me show you. We've got three beautiful girls. Wow, Valentina has got her palette out, and they are primping and getting ready. How's everything going, guys?
Good.
Good? Is it hard getting ready for pageants?
Very hectic.
Very hectic.
Yes.
Is it, what's the hardest part of getting ready for pageants?
I think just being on time.
Being on time. Is it because you have to do so many things in very little time?
Yes.
Yes, so it's hard to do that. So you heard it from the girls herself. It's really hard to transition. Now, I asked the girls on the other side, which is their favorite, modeling or pageants? Which one?
Modeling.
Modeling. Wow, they said they couldn't choose.
Wow.
So these girls prefer modeling. We're gonna head into Studio B and see what they're doing over there. So let's take a walk. We're gonna walk through the waiting area here, and we do have a few friends waiting around here in the middle, but we'll head into the studio, and we've got Jay here, and she is doing some teaching with some ladies. So take a look here behind me. This is Jay in the black and the girls here, and they're working on some classes, and you can kind of see what they're doing here. We are peeking in on them, but this is a great studio. This is the biggest of the two sides. They have all kinds of stuff, but you can see here as they're practicing their walks, Jay is showing them what to do, and then the ladies are going to do that in their dresses as well. I'm going to interrupt and say hi to you guys. How's it going? Good. I've asked everybody else what their favorite is, pageants or modeling. What's your favorite?
I would have to say
Modeling?
modeling.
You're like modeling pageants? So the answer is all over the place. It just depends on who you ask which one they like more. Does that dress have pockets though? Yes. You know that's a good dress if it has pockets. Ooh, and look at this dress here. I love it. Beautiful. And they're learning lots of great things, as you can see in their walks. So we're gonna head over into the prop room. I wanna show you guys around because we have so many amazing things back here, guys. And this is actually off of Studio B, but Studio A, so you can see here we've got lots of great things. I mean, we can do a lot of amazing photo shoots here, all kinds of things available to us to shoot. And we've also got a little box here in the corner that's labeled just for us to use. And we've got all of our wonderful things right here in this box, and we save those up. And then there's other things, all these other things you see around are up for grabs that everybody can use when they do various shoots. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tour. I hope to see you guys on one of our other videos. We'll see you soon.